This is continuation from Patient Page, Part 5. This section contains the vital signs. Up to 5 vital sign reading can be recorded. Click this downward arrow to show more lines. For multiple vital signs recording, the exact times can be specified. For BP, this button indicates whether the BP was taken while standing, sitting, sit, or supine, sup. Click repetitively till the required value. For BP, this button indicates whether the BP was taken manually, M, or automatically by machine, A. Click repetitively till the required value. Clicking on any of the vital sign title will chart the vital signs. Chart of BP. For pediatric patients, the normal ranges for BP will be shown when mouse is hovered in the BP field. For pediatric patients, the normal ranges for PR will be shown when mouse is hovered in the PR field. For pediatric patients, the normal ranges for RR will be shown when mouse is hovered in the RR field. If the height or weight is not specified, or last value was saved more than 3 months, this alert will be shown. For patients less than 5 years old, if the height or weight is less than the 25th centile on the growth chart, alerts will be shown. For patients less than 5 years old, the 25th, 50th and 75th centiles will be plotted on the growth chart. Click the title to chart. HC is the 75th centile. MC is the 50th centile. LC is the 25th centile. This is the patient's weight. WC is waist circumference. When mouse is hovered here, the pain score illustration will be shown. Click and drag to set the pain score. Diagnosis are specified here. Click Diagnosis to show the diagnosis search box. This is the diagnosis search box. Search and select the diagnosis here. Frequently used diagnosis will be listed first based on past usage. Click Add to add this diagnosis. Multiple diagnosis can be specified. To add more diagnosis, click Diagnosis and repeat the steps. To remove a diagnosis, click on this icon. Click Documents to upload and manage external documents. The number inside the brackets indicates the number of uploaded documents in this visit. The Current Visits Documents section lists the documents uploaded in this visit. Up to 16 documents can be uploaded. The Other Visits Documents section lists the documents from other visits. Uploaded documents can be viewed by clicking on them. The documents are uploaded here. Supported document type are image files, PDF, Excel and Words. If Intel SysAssist app is used, images taken on the mobile device will be available in the media pool and can be selected from there. The file can also be selected from the local computer here. Enter the description of the file and click Upload. The uploaded file will be available here. For patients that have activated the patient portal, the doctor can choose to allow or disallow this document to be viewed by the patient. Private means the document cannot be viewed in the patient portal. Click Private to change to Public. Public means the document can be viewed in the patient portal. To change back to Private, click Public again. The description of the file can be changed here if required. The change will be auto-saved. The document can be deleted by clicking this icon. Click Reports to create and manage medical reports. The number inside the brackets indicates the number of reports in this visit. Medical reports are created and managed here. New medical reports are created by selecting from the report type here and saving it. Saved medical reports for this visit will be listed here. This is the number of saved medical reports in this visit. When creating a new medical report, the previous responses, if available, can be displayed for comparison. Tick Load past answers before loading a new medical report. Select a medical report from this list and click Load. This is one of the details required in this medical report. This is the response saved for this detail in the previous report. The date of the previous report is shown in the red box. Clicking this downward arrow will hide all the previous response shown. If Load Past Answers is not ticked before clicking Load, the previous response are not shown. Scroll to the bottom and click Save to save this report. The saved medical report will now be listed here. To view, edit or to print, select the saved medical report here and click Load. This medical report can be printed by clicking PDF, or deleted by clicking Del. These are the info that will be included in the printout. This is the report date. If space is needed on the printout for letterheads, the space can be specified as number of lines here. If there are any changes, click Edit to save before printing the report. To be continued in Patient Page, Part 7.